What's up everybody, Derek Ting here. Today we're going to do a review of the Razer Phone 2. Alright. Alright, so first impression is that the phone from the front looks very similar to the Razer Phone, if not identical. On the back though, I think this is where they've made significant changes, and they made a glass back. It's shiny and sleek. And the logo, which I think is more interesting, is that they changed it so that the color actually changes when you have a notification. I think that's really thinking about the Asian lifestyle, because when people get together, a lot of times they're going to put their phones on the table all together, and you know, it's just to be polite. I think the first thing I noticed about the Razer Phone 2 is that when you turn it on, the screen is incredibly sharp, much more even than the Razer Phone 1 and my iPhone 7 Plus. So if you're looking for really crisp, clear graphics, then they've really gone the length to make the screen awesome. Just want to remind you though that it's not an OLED screen, so the color rendering is going to be slightly off, but really I don't think you're going to be able to tell. But again, if you're looking for OLED technology, it's not that. Sound is amazing. I think that they've done a really great job with the speakers, and it's very much similar to the Razer Phone 1. Let's talk about specs. So the specs, it's faster, it's smoother. I would say it's hard to tell though, unless you have a really intensive game. I think they've done a really great job with the camera actually. The beauty mode is really cool, because you wouldn't have to throw your photos into any other third-party apps. So that's convenient. You know, there's definitely a lot more to change, and then they got those really nice Sony cameras on the front that you can play with. The portrait mode, I think it's pretty good. I didn't think it did the shallow depth of field as well as, let's say, the Apple phone, but it does a decent job. All right, so who's the Razer Phone 2 for? I think if you're looking to buy the Razer Phone 1 and you had reservations about the camera, well, I think they've bumped up the specs and the quality of the app and things that you can do within the Razer Phone 2 to make it super attractive. And then finally, of course, the biggest difference is the screen. It's noticeably sharper than the Razer Phone 1. So all that being said, the price is very attractive, and if you're an Android user, I think that if you like video games and you know, you like watching a lot of movies or TV on your phone, then you definitely want to give this one a look. All right, if you like my videos, definitely hit that like button, and I hope you'll subscribe so I can talk to you next time.